love stainless steel French presses. They don't break, they last forever, they're gorgeous. We've been drinking a lot of coffee in this household, and I decided it was time to get a larger French press, so I went with the ESPRO, and I am so glad I did. I've already used this for 2 weeks, so let's get into it. When you open it up, you see just how beautiful and high quality it is. I know this will be our French press for the next 10 years. Here is the main piece. So at the top, it has a simple drain, and then it has this silicone edging, which I love. It silently pushes down instead of scraping. And then these two filters here are this fine mesh, and they twist together to ensure that none of the coffee grounds go through and you have a very clean coffee. You can take all the pieces apart if you want to, not that you really ever need to do this. They're dishwasher safe, but so far it's so easy to clean that I just wash them in my sink. It is super easy to insert. It does have that pour spout that you want to have at the right place, and it goes down so smoothly. So I am washing it right now for a first trial run. So easy and quick to clean. Snap it together, and it's good to go. I made coffee for my trial run, but you can easily use this for loose leaf tea as well. Just add whatever you want, put in your boiling water, give it a quick stir, and put on the top. Once you have the top on, you usually want it to steep. For coffee, you'll want to steep for 4 minutes. And my favorite part is how easy and quiet it is to push down. And the pour is so clean, no dripping, super smooth. And then the best part is the coffee itself. I didn't realize just how much ground was getting through in my prior French press, but thanks to the microfilters on this French press, nothing gets through. You get very smooth and delicious coffee. I strongly recommend it. My only complaint so far is that it is so good. I'm drinking way more coffee than I should.